Enabling mouse keys for Assistive Touch on an iPhone 16 allows users with motor impairments to control the on-screen pointer using keyboard keys or a numeric keypad. Here's how to access and manage this setting. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the current display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Navigate to the physical and motor section and then tap on touch. To continue, tap on Assistive Touch and make sure it's turned on. If not, simply tap the switch to turn it on. Now, head over to the pointer devices section, then find and tap on mouse keys. Finally, toggle the switch to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, this feature allows you to control the pointer movement using keyboard inputs. This makes navigation more accessible for those who prefer or require keyboard controls. This feature also allows users with limited motor skills to control the device's pointer and interact with the screen using a keyboard, providing an alternative to touch input. You can change this setting at any time when needed. Just repeat the same steps to return to the Assistive Touch menu and then apply necessary configurations. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.